We're Team Minion from Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. What do we do when our advisors tell us that last year's boat isn't gonna cut it this year? We let them smash it, and we build a new one. So I walked into class, spoke to them a little bit about RoboBoat, spoke to them what happens at these competitions, what the previous challenges have been for us as a team, and gave them the daunting task of building a boat within 4 months.
There were a lot of challenges, but the main one I have to say is communication and how to correlate with such a large team.
There is the deck team, there is the stability team, and then there is us, the sensors and subsystems team.
Communication is something which you cannot be taught or it's not something that can be enforced.
Every engineer thinks that they can solve the problem by themselves. Once we put all those skills together, we can create something better than one of us alone.
We were self-challenged to make a scale model of the 16-foot catamaran that's used for Robot X. That larger boat uses an inflatable pontoon, and to replicate that squishy feel, we 3D printed ours out of TPU. We filled this with insulation board, 1-inch insulation board that looks like this. We cut lengthwise to fit into our pontoons.
And these consist of 2 T200 thrusters, which are actuated up top by full servos, which enable holonomic movement.
I have here an aircraft-grade composite panel that is used for our deck in order to reduce its weight.
We have to rewrite some of the software that we had earlier, and it took a lot of time.
The biggest challenge we had last year was that our boat didn't know where it was. We reached out to Javad GNSS, where they were very generous to provide us this Delta module.
The time that we need for this project, it's mainly for iterating on our design process.
It was really satisfying seeing those full pontoons come together in person because it had been so much work getting them to where they were.
Towards the end of our design process, it was very relieving and rewarding to see our initial designs and the iterations that we've had throughout the design process actually come to a tangible product.
Once we saw the boat in the water, it was so exciting to see everything we worked for come to life. We're not done though. We still have a few tricks up our sleeve before we head to Sarasota. See you soon.
This has been an incredible process to go through with others. I'm sure everyone else is in the same boat, literally.